The Jamaica Library Service, JLS, was formally established in 1948. Despite the changes, however, the JLS is still relevant and valuable to the numerous communities served across the 14 parishes. At the Hanover Parish Library, the relevance of public libraries was at the heart of the discussions of their Coffee and Conversation program. This program is used as a forum to engage the community in meaningful ways.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Hanover Parish Library Coffee and Conversation.
Over the past 5 or so years, people have been having this conversation that the internet has replaced the public library, that print books are no longer necessary, that everything you need, you can find at the touch of a button. Not so. The public library is still very much relevant. That's why we're having this conversation this morning.
From the conversation, it was highlighted that the public library has transitioned from being only a resource center for books and printed material to one that provides recreational, educational, and technological benefits and is a safe environment for the community.
I have gained a lot of knowledge here. My children came here for story hour, and they also came whenever there is any program lined up for kids. And since I'm an adult now, I have come to internet classes here.
There are students from the area who are not able to come into the town. The parents can't afford it. So the library bus coming to the school makes it much easier for them, and so more students can get to read. Apart from that, the students come to the public library to use the laptops and computers.
It will change, it has been changing, it will continue to change and evolve as the technology changes and evolves. And that's one of the main reasons why it is still relevant.
The Hanover Parish Library, through its armchair travel program, ensures that youth are provided with an opportunity for cultural exchange.
I know you love salt fish, but in Cuba, the Cubans eat pork, roasted pork, and rice, beans, and pork is a national Cuban dish.
It's an opportunity to expose our children to something outside of Jamaica. We know that oftentimes our children do not even leave their communities. They do not go into other parishes, and some of them will never have an opportunity to visit another island. So the library provides an opportunity, a social space where they're able to engage other cultures in that way.
Through partnership initiatives, the library has been able to expand the technological resources available to users.
There is the tablet tutorial, which has been made possible through a very, very kind donation of 10 tablets by the Hanover charities. And from that donation, we have been able to start here a program where we offer a course for members of the public, particularly our senior citizens.
We have been privileged to have had 33 computers added to our inventory from the Global Libraries Initiative.
These newly installed ICT resources have engaged both the young and the old and have complemented the public library's innovative and creative programs and services.
We have what is called Weenie Wednesdays, which we use as an opportunity to expose our children. We introduce them to various characters and so on, and of course we allow them to engage in role play and to interact with the books and so on in the department.
The Hanover Parish Library Network, which consists of the Parish Library, 5 branch libraries and a mobile library unit, is positively transforming communities across the island.